guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this tiny chalkboard sign thing that we got for our coffee area. I absolutely love this. This is the perfect size. The quality is also really good. I can show you here. You can see right here that the edges are screwed in, so it's not gonna fall off. Very sturdy. This was also really easy to put on the wall. It comes with the string and all the hardware that you need. It's also pretty thick, as you can see, and this is not just a regular chalkboard, this is also a magnetic chalkboard. So if you ever need a chalkboard like this to put in your kitchen and have little signs, you know, and like notes, this is perfect because you can write on it and also use it as a magnetic board. So pretty cool, especially for the price that you're paying. This thing is pretty amazing. Love it.